think I'm good. Oh, here we go. Did you come in with me? Yes, good. Defeat Samurai. Oh, this will be awesome. I hope I'm streaming.
Ah, you're in a fight with some
Yes.
other player pirates.
Yes.
You can all work together.
Oh, yay!
Teaming up with other pirates is a great way to overcome the toughest enemies.
Excellent!
You'll get special rewards for group combat too. Good hunting.
Yay! Good hunting, excellent. And thank you for joining me, Christina. She is awesome. Alright. Just moving on down. Yay! See, I always jump right in and start attacking. So that is how I roll. Thank you, Chrissy. This is going to be fun. Cool. Wow. Oh, Bonnie Ann is pretty, and Ratbeard, nice. Bonnie Ann looks pretty awesome all leveled up. I don't have her all leveled up. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. That's it, all grouped together so I can poison you all at the same time. Because that's how Ditto rolls. Like a cinnamon roll. Mmm, cinnamon roll. Oh, yummy. Ooh, you attacked Lord Midnight. Now he's gonna get mad. Nice. Awesome. Ooh. Let's get a little Corsair next. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so. I can poison like 5 at the same time. That was awesome. Okay, and him down here. Alright. Take him out. And attack him. Alrighty then. And Chrissy will attack some as well, and oh, this will be awesome. Oh yeah. Yay, poison flowers. Oh, good hit, Lebo. El Toro! Good attack. Oh, little birdies. I don't even know what that did. But it was cute. Oh, super hit by Ratbeard. Oh, he tosses a sword. That was awesome. Oh, and he spins on his peg leg. That's hilarious. That's totally hilarious. Oh, attack. Oh, yes! Another good hit. Oh, he's toast. Yep, we got the Bull Ronin. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. Nice work, Ratbeard. I may actually have to train you some more. I never did trust him much after the volcano incident. Oh, another super hit. Wow, look at that. This is like the Ratbeard show. Oh, nice. Wow. It's like a cannon she's firing. That is awesome. Oh, very good. Boom! Oh, nice. Oh, blocked. And now Lord Midnight's mad. Oh, he blocked him. Oh, but he didn't block him. Haha. Alright. Oh, we just get to attack all these guys again. Yes, I can get all three. That's nice. And you can get all three. And then who's the healthiest? Him. Him. I'll gang up on him. Okay. I'm not coordinating with Chrissy very well because there's a lag in the thing, but I am just a furry monster. I don't really have enough bandwidth here to coordinate and stream and talk with everybody and remember what I'm doing. So, it's working out. She is a very good player. Oh, nice. Oh, one's down. Lee Bogan, take him. Oh yeah, he's done. Alright, who's left? Oh my glob! That's like a big thing of lava. I want that. That's awesome. Oh! Took him out. I think that did it. Oh, that was awesome. Another one over here.
Here's a key! Let's
Yay!
get back to the inner gate and put this matter to an end, shall we?
That trunk with several locks holds group plunder.
Ooh, really?
Special treasure you cannot find anywhere else.
Each pirate gets an equal share of the reward.
Okay. Where's the group treasure? Must have missed it. Oh, maybe we already opened it. That's okay. Things happen so fast. Oh, there's something over here? Oh, chest over here. Okay, thank you. Oh, there it is. Cool. Thank you! Okay. Now let's go fight some stuff. Inner gate.
General Tsao has had time to prepare. His soldiers are loyal and desperate. Now the real battle begins.
Oh boy, the real battle begins. Alright, I'm gonna heal him. Now the real battle begins. Okay.
Ah, you've got doubloons in this fight, pirate.
Huh?
They'll give you an advantage.
Okay.
The doubloon bar displays which doubloons you can use. Click a doubloon to activate it.
For each pirate in a fight, you get another doubloon to choose from. The more, the merrier.
Okay. I don't think I've ever used that. Alright, so... I'm gonna do that. Oh. I guess I'm done. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Keep going with this. Oh, I like this throne room. Tsao does such a nice job. Stuff like that. So cool. Okay, Lebo. Boom. Okay. Trying to see who all these bad guys are. Oh, epic hit. Oh, epic hit from him. I don't like that. Took out it's hitting my skeletal corsair. Oh, made his head spin. That's a cute animation, I have to say. Huh. Ooh, nice one. Okay. A little scary. Ditto's worried. I'll try that. And then... Okay. Arigato. Alright, we'll all attack the same guy again. Okay. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, another Ratbeard super hit. Oh, he's awesome. And he is so tough. I like him. Mega hit, Blade Storm, all kinds of crazy kicks. Oh, look at that. With moves like that, he could be an action hero. Super hit. Wow. Wow! That was awesome! I can't be the only person or monster who has wanted to see this as a Saturday morning cartoon. Wouldn't this be awesome? Actually, oh my god! I think I am a Saturday morning cartoon for people watching me. Ah! That's kind of a cool thought. Kids sitting on the couch eating Lucky Charms watching Ditto? Ah! That's so exciting. Oh, nice. Repost! Good hit. Oh! Oh, not too bad. Oh, good hit. Wow. Haha, the best cartoon ever, yes! Oh. Oh. Wow, we have Terracotta Warriors? Oh, man. Bringing a house down on this guy. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. I just love that. That's so funny. Almost as good as Meteor Strike. These Terracotta Warriors are so cool. Oh, okay. Glancing blow. Oh, right in the noggin. Look at that. He dropped the roof on him again. That's so funny. That's so funny. So many. Oh. Oh, hit him again. Hit him again. This is so cool. All right, now what do we got left? All right, a few bad guys left. We can do that. Can I do spinning blades of death over here? Oh yeah, I can do it against them. And then he's gonna move in closer, and yeah, he can do that. All right, so whirling blades of death, and then attack that guy, and let Ratbeard mop everybody up, I guess. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Alright, connection still looks green too, that's good. Get worried about the connection problems. Oh, this is gonna be good. What was that? Oh, here goes Ratbeard Mega Hit. Epic hit, epic hit. Oh, nice. Relentless, relentless. Oh, epic hit. Oh, look at that. He's done. Stick a fork in him, he's done. Or medium rare, anyway. Cow joke. Oh, Whirling Blades of Death. Did I take anybody out? Oh, I took one out, I think. Yes, I took one out! That's awesome! That was so cool. Right, now you up. He took that guy out. Oh, nice. One left. Oh, two left. Ah! I think it's weird for Chrissy because I think she only hears what I'm saying after like a 10-second delay. Ooh, what was that? What the heck? Wow, that was pretty tough. But these terracotta warriors are awesome. I like these things. Yes, I know the delay is real, so it's kind of weird hearing me and then like 10 seconds after what actually just happened. Sorry about that. Oh, got him. Okay. Yes, we did it! Yay! Hooray, hooray! Oh, here's a two-chester. Oh. Yay, we got that one too! That's awesome.
General Tsao fled through that doorway.
Oh,
No doubt we will find the coward sniveling in his inner sanctum.
Sniveling in his inner sanctum. Let's go get the coward sniveling in his inner sanctum. Let's get the coward sniveling in his inner sanctum, yes.
Here you are at last.
Huh?
I am Rook, Grand Marshal of the Armada. You destroyed Deacon, my brother.
Oh no!
I'd have thought that impossible. I should kill you where you stand.
Oh no!
But I will not have it said that when I crushed you, and I will crush you,
Oh boy.
that you were not at your best. I fear you're not worth the time.
What?
I have what you came for.
Huh?
I must see to its translation, and then I have urgent business in Marleybone.
Marleybone?
General Tsao, our business is concluded.
Aw.
This pirate is yours to destroy, if you can.
If you
Very
can.
well. I shall deal with you myself.
Okay. I'm not even in the room yet. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Him and him. Let's do that. Begin.
Tsao is too mighty for us unless... Look! General Tsao's chicken!
General Tsao's
Our
chicken!
enemy's pet is his
Oh my
greatest
goodness.
weakness.
Oh, General Tsao's chicken! Oh, I can't even. Oh my goodness, they actually went there. Ah, this General Tsao's chicken! Oh, the chicken's over there. Okay. Oh, I don't have my thingy. Okay. I see what we gotta do. Alright, I have a plan. But I require my, I require some stealth, so. what I must do. Little scratch. Get some out of there. Good, good. I know what I must do. Okay. By the way, just so you are aware, my plan is to go into stealth mode and sneak over to where the chicken, General Tso's chicken, is being protected, and then eat General Tso's chicken. No, not eat General Tso's chicken, but like threaten General Tso's chicken. I can't believe I just said that. Oh, good hit. Very nice. Man, he's good. Yes, take out one of the chicken guards and stay in that spot. That's what I thought. I will jump into stealth and do that. Yay, Lord Midnight! Alright. Alright. Alright, stealthy. And then, do that. I'll just fight him. I go into stealth mode, then... Oh, don't I have that? Oh, maybe I got rid of that. Thought I had a spell that would teleport me. That works very well, but now I don't remember which spell it was. It had like a crystal symbol. That might have been with gear. That might have been a gear thing. Yeah, I think it was. Maybe not. Oh, good fight, good fight. Yes! Sneaky, sneaky. Okay, okay. Nice. There's General Tsao. General Tso's pretty tough. Ooh. Wow. Wow. You just keep shooting. Okay. Oh, good. He moved out of the doorway. That's what I wanted. Oh, fuck. Alright. Yay, Lord Midnight! Lord Midnight's getting in there. Ooh, mega hit. Oh, mega hit from him. That's not good. Oh, come on, Lord Midnight. You can take it. You can do it! This is so exciting! This is very exciting. Okay. So I can go over to here. Good, good, good. And he can just do that. He can do that. So I'm sneaking right up on them. Sneak right up in there. Now let's see what happens. Oh, there's the lava. That's pretty amazing. Wow, epic hit. Super hit. Mega hit. Oh my goodness. Chrissy is amazing. Wow. That was totally awesome. Okay. Oh, blocked. That's okay. Oh, good hit. Super hit. Wow, look at this. That's amazing. This is so cool. Wow. Like, seriously. Chrissy is amazing. Alright. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh, boom. Oh, don't be messing with me. Oh. Wow. Oh, he's fine. He's still green. Super green. Okay. Oh, this fight is amazing. It's just so massive. Boom. Oh, come on, Lord Midnight, take him out. Oh, he blocked him. Oh, he blocked that one too. He's tough. I'm glad I have help for this one because these guys are tough. Okay. Can I just take that spot? I think that might work. I don't know. Let's see. Arigato. That might work. I don't know. I'm still invisible, so nobody's going to be worried about me. Okay. Oof, that's... I don't know what's going on, but it looks good. Ah, it's sparkly! Ah, sparkly's good. Ator! Son of Ator! Cousin of Ator! Nice. Wow. He's very tough. Ooh, General Tsao's tough too. Way to go, thank you. Helping Lebo.
All right, so surrender or the chicken.
Yes, I did it. I get in the right position.
Wait! Stay your hand,
General Tsao's
pirate.
chicken.
We may hate each other for eternity, but that poor, innocent creature must not suffer.
Yay! Yay! Oh, that was awesome! Yay, we won! Oh, that was amazing! That was so amazing! I just have to get a screenshot of General Tsao's chicken.
This hunt is over, and my thirst for battle is quenched.
Okay.
This was a great victory.
That's great victory!
Confound all that.
Aw.
What about the map? It's what we're fighting for, and it's gone.
Aw.
We were too late.
Marco Pollo's map? That is why you are here.
Yes, that's
The
why.
Armada has the piece, but they cannot use it without translating it.
Ah.
You may be able to recover the piece of Marco Pollo's map, but you must win it back from the Armada.
Oh, I think we could do that. Sure.
No one in Khotan can translate the markings on the map, so the
I see.
Armada agents must go elsewhere.
Ooh.
The Imperial Governor will know where the Armada has gone.
Oh, okay.
Go to the Governor's Hall in Hamamitsu and explain to him
Okay.
what has happened. He will set you on the right course.
Oh, thank you, General Tsao. Oh, that was awesome. Ah, I love that chicken. Alright, there's something over here. So there's something up here, so... Oh, okay. Oh, training tome. Nice!
Well done, pirate!
Yay!
We found a training tome!
Training tomes grant training points, which can raise your companion's levels.
To
Yes, I
train
knew
your
that.
companions, click My Companions. Companion training in the help menu has more.
Yes, I know. New computer, I still get all the tutorial tips. I think that's all the time I have for this morning. But, oh, this was so much fun. This was so much fun, and thank you to Christina Blesser, this amazing help of Christina here. And